Hello sir, this is my issue from Booster. Today we are going to see about the automation is built by in our company. This is the architecture which we proposed in our project. In that we use Google Drive and N8N automation, Docker extractor engine, and ERP integration. That means the ERP website. Okay, first of all, why we use Google Drive means to upload our files to that particular place, so the program can able to grab that file. So that's why we use the Google Drive. In N8 and automation, we created one flow to automate the process like extracting the data from the PDF and converted to JSON format, and which was stored in that extractor folder. And doc extractor engine plays a vital role. It extracts the information from the PDF into JSON format uh, by using OCR method. Then in the ERP integration, um, means we use Python code to automate the JSON data to enter the value in that fields. So that's okay. Now we're going to see about the demo. See in that we created an input folder in Google Drive. I put some PDF in that. As you can see, we uploaded six PDFs in that input folder, and the N8N will start the process to extract information. Just a minute, I show that. This is N8N this is a N8N flow diagram, which can do extract the information from the PDF and convert it to JSON and store in a particular location called extract in that Google Drive. Uh, in this code, it will automatically extract every 10 minutes, but now we are going to run it manually. Just a minute. In that you can see that the code has been run to 30. Now it's running. Yeah, now it's 10 minutes. So the code is running. You can see. As you can see, just a minute. Now you can see that one PDF has been extracted information. So the PDF is transferred to processed PDF, and that extractor, you can see that too. Yeah, in that time it executed. Yeah, in that you can able to see the extracted data like this format, which is present in that PDF. We can wait once the all PDF is converted, then we move on to next. Yeah, now you can see the most of the PDF has been moved. Now it's being processing for the last file. Yeah, before that I am going to explain what anytime does. In that we set a trigger for that. Every 10 minutes it will be automatically triggered, and it will get a PDF from the input folder which is present in the drive, and it will go through this process and download the PDF and goes to doc extract engine so that it can able to extract the PDF data into JSON format, and that JSON has been stored into uh, in JSON that has been downloaded as JSON format and stored on file called extractor, and the PDF has been moved to process folder. Now you can see that, so that we can able to know whether the PDF has been run perfectly or not. Once it perfectly executed means it will move to process the PDF, or the some error happen means it will move to the failed folder. In that you can see. I think that code has been executed fully. Yeah. You can see that in input folder there is no PDF. It has been moved to processed PDF. In extract, we can be able to see the processed JSON file. The data has been there. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. Now I'm going to see about how the information can be extracted from images. We created one folder in that drive. It's called image. If we upload the images in that folder, means it automatically processed and converted to PDF and moved to input. Then we created already on N8N workflow that will process the PDF and extract the information and convert it to JSON and put it in the extractor. So we're going to see about the live demo. Now, as you can see, I uploaded 5 JPGs in that folder, and this is the N8N workflow which we created for that to convert images to PDF so that we can able to extract the information. This is the workflow. It activate every 5 minutes in that. Now the time is 7:08. It will automatically execute 7:10. I think we're gonna wait a bit. As you can see, the code now has been running automatically. As you can see, now the code is executed. In that you can able to see that 5 images has been converted to PDF. And if I go to images means it will be empty. So while means the image has been processed and converted to PDF, then then the another enabling process will run so that the PDF has been PDF extract image, extract the confirm and extract the then in this N8N it extracts the information from that PDF and converted to JSON format and stored in that location. We can say that example. Okay. The one file has been executed automatically. As you can see, a consignment number or a column. Uh, yeah. Mm, put file the cross period plus invoice file. And as you can see, the delivery address name is HEC KEC Consortium CM Model Tamil Nadu, and the consignment number 6000 Arakonam 6000 and Arakonam, and then pull the meld. Yeah, processed JSON file, the data has been there. Yeah, you can see that. So, and in fail, we didn't get any PDF. So all the PDFs has been processed. So okay. Now we go to second step. This is our doc engine extract code, and that it is coded in Python. And that code which grab the data from the PDF for what we want in that PDF, and it will convert it as JSON for this format. Like you can see consignment number, source, destination, e-label number, etc., for that format. And then we can do this. And if I click this and run it, that Google Drive processed JSON has been stored in this Google Drive processed uh, extracted JSON has been stored in our local system. Yeah, fine. You can able to see that JSON files which is extracted from that PDF, and then we run this, and you can able to see that extracted fold files are moved, JSONs are moved to process, so that we can able to know whether the JSON has been processed or not in that in this step. Now we are going to enter the data set. And if we run this means it will start automatically entering the data one by one in the JSON from the JSON. Yeah, it entering the credentials, username and my password, and getting in and branch other column. Yeah. It will also handle the error messages and alerts in that during the process, so our code doesn't break. As you can see, it come to the consignment entry page. It enters the values, consignment number, and date, source, source, and destination, and vehicle number, e-label number, consigner, consignee, and etc. etc. It will have been filled automatically. Once the process is done, means it will move to it move that JSON to input from processed folder in that location. Wait, I can see that. Yeah, it entering the invoice number. Invoice number, content name, and actual weight. Yeah, invoice number. How to do that job? Once it's done, means it automatically entered. You can, as you can see, OPC and the data, and it entered that rate charges in that. Once it's completed, means it wait 15 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds to verify whether it enters correct data or not. If wrong means it will automatically move to the failed folder. Else it's correct means it's moved to processed folder. Wait a minute. If the browser is closed means I can show that. As you can see, the file is automatically paused and going to open another for the JSON. In that you can see the processed and failed. It didn't get failed, so that's it. Now from 6 it converts to 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now it is executing the second JSON. Yeah, why it came suddenly is the data is also that data is already entered in there and saved, so that's why we get the data. If that happens, means that particular JSON will go to fail because of yeah, yeah. This code is supposed to fail because that data is already has been entered, so that's why that particular JSON has moved to fail. Now it's executing the second JSON. It up to run the it up to run all JSONs to get run, and it will enter the log, entry the log. Like in that particular time, it executed that file like that. Yeah, you can see that the sample to JSON2 is now executed, signed in, branch selected, and taken screenshot of that, and branch is selected, then submitted, branch submitted, then waiting that and redirect to that folder up to like that, and entering the data one by one. You can see that that consignment number, date, source, destination, like that. You can see that. In that folder, you can able to see that logs whether the data has been entered correctly or not. Yeah, that's all, sir. Thank you.